Spacers are used to control where mist comes out of your Optimyst Pro cassette. You'll want to put the spacers where any media will cover the mist to make a natural effect. Notice you can get two different types of mist effects based on which flame insert type you use. The slots create thinner, taller flame effect, while the spacers create larger, wider flames. The Optimyst cassette can also be used with LED logs. Plug the logs into the cassette for a natural inner glow look. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn more about the Optimyst Pro series.